So here's with the transmitter on, and I'll turn on the receiver.
Sky assistant status. Logger active. Period. 200 millisecond. Active logger channels. Climb. Temperature. Altitude. Voltage. ppm.
And that's the code I'm getting. Now, if I do this, there I turn.
End of initialization.
Now if I turn it off and then back on with the transmitter off.
Sky assistant status. Logger active. Period. 200 millisecond. Active logger channels. Climb. Temperature. Altitude. Voltage. ppm. End of initialization.
So now I'll turn the transmitter on again.
Altitude 0 feet.
That's what she's doing. Hope you can help.